Welcome. Today, we're exploring a fantastic new update on Telegram Web that allows you to easily view all the links shared in your chats. Whether you're keeping track of important resources or just want to revisit something interesting, this feature makes it simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to web.telegram.org. If you're not logged in, enter your phone number and follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen, ready for you to explore. Next, you'll want to find the specific chat where the links were shared. You can either scroll through your recent conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the chat you're looking for. Once you find it, click on that chat to open the conversation. Now that you're in the chat, look at the top of the screen for the chat's name. Click on it, and a panel will appear showing the contact information for that chat. This panel gives you access to various options related to the conversation, including media and documents. Once you're in the Contact Info section, look for the Links tab. Click on it to view all the links that have been shared in this chat. This section conveniently lists every URL, making it easy for you to find what you need. You can scroll through the list and click on any link to open it in a new tab. This feature is incredibly useful for revisiting shared articles, videos, or any other resources without having to sift through countless messages. You can easily keep track of everything that's been shared and ensure you never miss an important link.